keep you updated on the capital and financial markets. Here is a recap of what happened. When it comes to investing, you can either do it yourself or you can rely on a professional. Read more about who are unit trust consultants at smartinvestor.com.my. Financial planning is a very important life skill that most of us had to learn on our own. Read more about getting to know unit trust schemes in the latest Invest magazine at shareinvestor.com/invest. Two developing trends, the lowering of fees and charges and the growing number of sustainable funds, are contributing to the changing landscape in the asset management industry. First, sales charges of unit trust funds have fallen by more than a third in recent years, which is good news for investors. Second, the number of environmental, social and governance funds is expected to grow fivefold by 2030, says the Federation of Investment Managers Malaysia CEO Kalian Leong. The Securities Commission Malaysia has reprimanded and imposed a fine amounting to 2 million ringgit against former unit trust consultant Hirani Kamarudin for deceiving an investor between November 2012 to November 2019, causing the victim to lose 1.32 million ringgit. As part of his deception and towards enticing the victim to invest with him, Hirani had, amongst others, made false representations as to the nature and characteristics of the investments as well as guaranteed certain investment results and returns to the victim, which did not materialize. The selling practices of mutual funds owned by banks are being probed by the capital markets regulator. The Securities and Exchange Board of India is looking into the extent of mutual funds' dependence on their parent bank's branch network to sell products to investors and whether that is leading to mis-selling, said two people with knowledge of the matter. The Philippine state-owned Social Security System's top actuary says around half of the fund's members are not active contributors and therefore run the risk of not being able to enjoy pension benefits when they retire, according to a report in local daily Philstar Global. SSS Chief Actuary Edgar Cruz told a Senate committee hearing that close to 20 million out of the pension fund's current 40 million members do not contribute regularly. Some of them paid just once or twice, and then stopped paying. This means that they will not get significant benefits, Cruz was quoted as saying in the report on the 6th of September. Bank Negara Malaysia's Monetary Policy Committee has raised its overnight policy rate by 25 basis points to 2.5% on the 8th of September, in line with expectations for further normalization of monetary policy as the country's economic growth and inflation gain momentum. This is MPC's third consecutive 25 basis points OPR hike this year, in line with 17 economists' forecast polled by Bloomberg, bringing year-to-date increase to 75 basis points. FIMM is inviting bidders for the following tender. For more information and registration, visit fimm.com.my/tender. This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.